Hello YouTube, I would like to show you how to fold and unfold this ladder I got from Home Depot. This one is 26 feet, but they sell shorter ones. It's kind of heavy, so you do need some muscle to work this thing. Once you get used to it, it's not so bad. I bought it because it's easy to fit inside of my minivan, and I don't have to strap it to the roof of the minivan, so that's cool. I also like to use it on stairs or uneven surface where one side can be extended more than the other side. So this is how you unfold it. It's almost done. Now you have to lift the moving part of the ladder. At this step you should be really careful with your fingers, because one wrong move can cost you a finger. That's it. This is how you unfold it to the full length. Now let's fold it back. When you fold it back, you have to be really careful, because one wrong move can cost you a finger or a really bad pinch. You have to hold the moving part with one of your hands. Unlock the moving part. Now it starts to move freely, but you hold it with your other hand and slowly lower it and watch so it doesn't pinch your fingers. As you probably already know, now you can use this letter as an A shape, like this. And it's pretty easy to carry it on your shoulder like this. I hope this helps you to see how this letter can be used. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.